So this is where we have got to so far. New tripod, still with the phone. You can see what that's recording. Sorry, the roof's down. There's been a storm and the carport's leaked. Give me a clean carport roof. I clean that. Yeah. And lastly, probably the best shot. Microphone cable, Boya MM1. Great microphone. Cable's not long enough. Shocker. What a surprise. So I've ordered a new cable, but that is the one beginning with a C. Not the shotgun, not the lilac one, the other one. I thought it was a shotgun mic, so goodness knows. But it's low down. I really want it to be down there. So I'm thinking if it's down there, you should be able to hear me sat there, and you should also be able to hear what we all want to hear. Boom, 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 boom. So that's the idea. So get in there. So new tripod, new microphone. Oh, and it doesn't work on the app. I've had to download a new phone app thing. So we'll see. So all this is basically to stop wind noise. Below about 30 is not too bad. Get anywhere 30 or over and you can't hear me. So we're trying. Thanks for watching. You'll see the trial of this, good, bad or indifferent. Hello. Oh. So, if you watched the earlier video, we are now on same phone, different app, new microphone, no extension lead. Microphone should be somewhere down here, currently dangling between the seats. So I know at this speed you can hear me, so let's see if you can hear me. Not the end of the video I thought it was going to be. So the microphone was positioned there. Yeah, the microphone needs to be positioned, I think, down here. So that the second bit of the video, which should have been the video, maybe something decent to look at. The second bit of the video, which should have been the actual video of yay, you can now hear me. No. 20 seconds in, I reckon if you got over 20 miles an hour, the feedback was that bad. On the motorway, no sound. So, I'm going to call this, I think we'll call this an update video, and I shall get an extension lead, we'll put the microphone somewhere else and we'll try again. But these things are sent to try, and it's all good fun, isn't it? Well, I can see there, that's my, what's it called, solar charger. Very good, keeps the battery topped up. So, a strange video. But these is, you know, you're giving lemons, make lemonade. It's true though, isn't it? Just crack on. So I'll spend another tenner. We'll get an extension lead thing, because it has to be I don't know, some nonsense. And we'll try again. So thanks for watching as always. Hopefully a much better video coming out as soon as I get my cable. Might be tomorrow. Might be able to put another video out tomorrow, let's see. Thanks for watching. Look after yourselves.